It's okay to leave it humped up a little bit too.
Yeah.
The dirt will
Well, I'm
settle.
gonna be putting that.
Yeah, sometimes you wanted to let it settle for a while before you put it on there, but it's up to you.
Well, I think it'll be sitting on there. That'll go straight
All
up.
right. Yeah, that'd be good. You want to just leave the flowers over here or put them on there? You want me to hand them?
They could plant here now.
Yeah. You know,
It'd
when
be all right.
Chris, when we
That'd
go
be
to bring
nice
the
to put
plaque
some
up
water
here,
on
we
it.
can bring some water and bury them.
Shoot, we should have.
Yeah. What?
I can go down and get a bucket.
No, we can just set them here for now, and then once he has the plaque, he'll know where to put them. Well, I guess
Yeah,
he's going to do
that's
that
a good
now.
idea.
One.
Well, I didn't know I was gonna be digging more holes there.
Well, we weren't expecting you to either. Well,
Okay, come out.
yep. Wrong thing going in there.
Chris, you picked the perfect spot. Maybe you could even come back in. Or whatever you want to
Where's that one? Where do you want the other one?